Good day, everyone. I'm Miss Hanela Andrea Obate, and today we are here with Mr. Angelo R. Manaloto, the owner of Suplado Clothing and Printex Shop. What does leadership mean to you?
Para sa akin, ang leadership ay isang tulungan na para mas mapabilis mag-grow ang isang business. At the same time, mapadali yung bawat trabaho ng isa. Ganun lang. Yan.
So, second question, describe the key actions and behaviors of the person that you've experienced as your best leader.
Sa akin, dapat ang ugaliin talaga ng isang businessman is pagiging wise, tsaka humble, syempre. And then, siguro yung pagiging consistent sa isang business. Dapat kahit ano man mangyari dun sa business mo or ano mang pagdaanan, ituloy mo lang, ganun. Then, at the same time, ibahin mo yung way mo kung paano mo siya i-handle kasi baka may mali dun sa una mong way kaya nag-fail. So, ayun lang.
Are leaders born or made?
Para sa akin, ginagawa siya. Hindi siya yung since birth na leader ka na. Kasi bawat failure may doon, kumbaga may natututunan, may lesson 'yan. May lesson sa about lalo na sa business. Hindi naman laging talo ka eh. Hindi naman laging talo. So, para sa akin, natututunan siya. Araw-araw. Ganun, may natututunan ka.
What is a role model?
Para sa akin, ang role model is yung nag-i-inspire sa akin sa pag-business. Ayun. Yun lang naman.
In what ways are role models important for leaders?
Importante siya sa akin kasi para dun sa everyday life ko, sa pagiging businessman. Then, at the same time, gusto ko maging katulad niya na successful sa business. Yun lang naman.
So, who are your role models and what are their characteristics?
Bali, ang role model ko is si Kong TV. Kilala siya as vlogger, then businessman din. Ang maganda sa kanya is ginagamit niya yung pagiging vlogger niya sa business niya. Napopromote niya yung business niya ng the same time kumikita siya sa YouTube kasi sa pagiging vlogger niya. Kaya yun, iba yung niya, ginagawa niyang way para maging successful. Yun lang.
So, what have you learned from them?
Natutunan ko sa kanya yung kung paano maging consistent sa ginagawa or sa business. And then time management kasi tulad niya, vlogger siya, ako videographer naman ako sa mga events, ganyan. Then at the same time nagbi-business ako. Natututunan ko kung paano maging consistent dun sa dalawang 'yon para rin mas maging successful ako at the young age. Yan.
Fifth question, what can leaders do to help others in organization see the future?
Ginagawa ko is nakikinig ako sa kanila, sa mga opinion nila para din mas maraming utak, mas gumana ng maayos yung business, and then yung mas mag-success yung plan.
Sixth question for you, what are some of the actions you take to create a climate for change and encourage risk-taking? Be specific.
Ang ginawa ko is lumabas ako sa comfort zone ko, and then nagtry talaga ako ng mga as in zero knowledge ako. Kagaya nung videography. Nauna yung business sa akin, and then syempre para mas maging successful ka, kailangan mo mag-explore pa. So, ginawa ko, tinry ko yung videography kasi marunong rin naman ako sa mga computer, sa editing, ganyan. So, nag-risk ako sa videography, and then the same time nagbi-business ako.
Next question. Should leaders let their constituents fail? Explain your answer.
Di ako agree kasi hindi na siya part ng pagiging leader. Kung hindi mo i-consider yung mga partner mo or yung mga kasama mo sa isang business.
Next question. How can leaders create a climate of trust and facilitate relationships among people in a work team?
Ako yung tiwala nila, magiging transparent ako sa kanila. And then sa relationship naman, once naman na magtiwala na sila sa'yo, mabibuild na yung relationship nun eh.
For the 9th question, what are 3 things that can be done to improve in each leadership practice? What are 3 things that you can do to continue learning to be a better leader?
Yung tatlong importante sa pagiging leader is yung communication, and then transparency, lastly yung strategy. Yung gagawin ko para mag-improve yung pagiging leader ko is number 1, consistency, and then number 2 is syempre yung pagiging risk taker. Lastly yung feedback ng mga ka-team. Syempre mahalaga yan.
10th question. Tell me about a time you struggled with work-life balance. Did you manage to solve the problem? How did you do it?
Naging struggle ko as videographer and businessman is nagkasabay yung event and then yung business meeting na which is important din. Ang ginawa ko lang dun is nagbigay ako ng opportunity sa ibang videographer kasi para sa akin mas mahalaga pa rin yung business.
Second to the last question, Mr. Angelo. How do you monitor the performance of individual team members? In what specific ways do you motivate your team?
The way ko siya i-monitor, siguro yung pangangamusta ko sa kanya everyday. Kung nagawa niyo ba yung mga tasks sa work, sa business, ganyan. Then,
Motivation.
Then, kung paano ko siya i-motivate, siguro yung every meeting namin, nagkakamustahan kami about, hindi lang sa business, sa life na rin, syempre. Para din walang pressure sa isa't isa. Nag-uusap kami, then, ano pa yung mga next step namin sa business. Ano pa yung, nagpapalitan kami ng idea, ganun.
Last question. How would you describe your leadership style?
Yung style ko sa pagiging leader, siguro yung pakikisama sa ka-work or ka-team sa isang business. Then at the same time, hindi naman sobrang strict. Dapat balance pa rin. Andun pa rin yung limitation, nag-enjoy kayo sa ginagawa nyo, sa business, sa journey. Ayun.
So far, we have learned a lot of information about Mr. Angelo's leadership style and his business. Thank you for today, and we hope that you have learned a lot of lessons.
Ulit. Okay. Para sa akin, dali! Sa akin, ang leadership, ayusin mo. Importante siya sa ano rin siya, business.
Donay! Nag-i-interview ako eh. Narinig yun lang. Nakalimutan ako sa mga...
Para kung... Sabi ko na yung pagiging leader ko. Wait lang ulit. I mean, mali. Pagiging assistant pala. Ulit! Ang gagawin ko para mag-improve. Game na. Huwag ka tumawa, bali. Hindi rinig ka sa mic. Mali. Yung tatlo, 'di ba? Sabihin ko.
Kanina ko
Pero yung tatlong gagawin ko para mag-improve yung pagiging leader ko. Communication. Ay, na naman. Gagawin ko para mali. Game na. Yung, ayusin mo baliw, paano may transition yan?
Wait.
Yung gagawin ko para mag-improve yung tatlong mali. Ano na. Please, consistent. Diba?
Solve the problem. How did you do it?
Bigyan mo muna natin siya ng 30 seconds pa.
Oo nga, anong pinili ko dun?
Oo, sa'yo pa na ako tatanong. Balik.
Pagiging... Ano nga? Yung sasabihin ko na sa ka-team, sa isang business.
Hindi ka naman straight.
And then, ayun, hindi rin.
More na, no? Hindi ako pinag-
Jumping that, summon that, jumping that, jumping that fire, jumping that, hitting that fire, jumping out with, drumming that, drumming that, drumming that, chopper doing circles. It's a bird, take him to the potty. He's a nerd. Pop out, I ain't seen hit corners in the month. Burbs, pop out. Done politicking with the competition. What's the word? Put that on my mama. 8 in the process. Tryna tippy toe through the progress.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay, coming down like precipitation.
Alam Patabis.
Cash in the stash spot with the new cat. Shorty tell me that she love me, she gon' bust it, throw it back. Little boy, you a stain, you a fake, that's that. Bottom roll full of gold, keep a ball, no cat. And she riding deep, real thick, no photos. Why you posting pics on the gram in your polo? Can I stick around for a minute? Oh hell, I quit here.